That is a good safety line to get into Louisville. So here we come with Don't worry about things, folks. Don't worry about things.